Did I tell you how I got this bike, Dad? Did I tell you how I got it? It came with a Happy Meal.
No way.
Got him. What do you want?
Keys.
The keys? Where did Kai's keys go? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh,
Start
you want the key?
Yeah.
Because you want to start it?
This one.
Yeah, I know.
Please.
Please?
So that.
You want to start it?
Yeah.
Here you go. Here's your keys. Go ahead. Well, we let everything dry overnight, so all of our paint should be ready. In theory, we can go ahead and put this bike back together. Got the handlebars hanging up over here. Super snazzy. Looks super crispy. Check it out. You can hear rocks in here. My kid put rocks in the bottom of this thing. Oh well. Pretty much all the paint is done and dry. I wasn't super picky with this paint job because I figured I was just kind of like, it's a kid's bike. You know it's gonna get dumped over 1,000 times. So I didn't do half the amount of prep work I normally do for painting bikes. I just want to get it better than what it was and maybe try to offload it and start over again. Yet again, another problem. So this is the rear brake drum housing assembly with the brake pads. Fits on the axle, no problem. It's a nice snug fit. Goes all the way through. This rear brake drum housing has a notch that this bar is supposed to fit inside of to keep this from spinning whenever you hit the brakes. If I slide this all the way forward, it still doesn't make contact. I'm going to have to take a solid piece of metal like so and weld it onto this part of the swing arm back here. All right, here's what we came up with. An old rusty bolt, about the exact width that I need to fit right in there. So it'll sit like this. Obviously, my plan is to weld it on right here. I'm going to clean it up first, then I'm going to tack weld right here and then cut the head of the bolt off so I have this entire washer to weld around right there. And then in theory, and I'll cut it shorter, I'll cut this tapered part off. We should be pretty close.
Cat from three.
Cat Vroom Vroom's okay?
Daddy visits.
Daddy fixed it. Yeah. There you go. Nice, bro. You don't even need a seat. Hey, you know who helped me?
Huh?
You.
You.
No, you.
Okay.
Yep.
Daddy.
And we fixed it.
Visits.
Yeah. Pound it.